Dear students, today we are going to do revision on square and square roots. Square of a number. When a number is multiplied by itself, we say that the number is squared. In other words, when a number is raised to the power of 2, we can say that the number is squared. If x is any number, the square of x is represented as x squared. Read as x squared. For example, 3 squared is denoted as 3 raised to the power 2. 5 square is equals to 5 is multiplied 2 times 5 into 5, which is equals to 25. So 25 is known as square root of 5. The square of a number is the number multiplied by itself. In general, if x is any number, then x square equals to x into x. Here, x square represents the square of x. For example, find the square of 21. So 21 square is equals to 21 is multiplied 2 times 21 into 21, which is equals to 441. The table shows here the number and its square. So I hope you all have already learned these squares from 1 to 20. So this is very important to solve the sums based on squares and square roots. Square of a rational number a upon b. If a upon b is a rational number, then square of a upon b is a square upon b square. So a is multiplied 2 times, b is multiplied 2 times, which is equal to square of numerator upon square of denominator. Find the square of minus 3 upon 2. So minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2. So minus 3 upon 2 is multiplied 2 times, minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2, which is equals to minus 3 into minus 3, which is 9, 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. The square of any rational number, be it positive or negative, is always positive. For example, minus 3 square is equals to minus 3 into minus 3, which is equals to 9. Thus, for any number x, x square is always equals to minus x the whole square. Square root. We know 5 into 5 is 25. That is equals to 5 square. 25 is the square of 5 and 5 is known as the square root of 25. Square root is denoted by the symbol this one. Thus, root of 25 equals to 5. 7 square equals to 49. So, root 49 equals to 7. 9 square equals to 81. So, root 81. So, 81 is the square of 9. So, equals to 9. Solve example. If 8 into 8 equals to 64, then root 64 is 64 equals to 8 into 8. So, root 64 equals to 8. So, 64 is the square of 8. Properties. When any two consecutive numbers are squared, the number of numbers between the square will be twice the lower number. In general, thus, if n is any positive integer, then the number of numbers between n square and n plus 1 the whole square is 2n. Next property. A group of three natural numbers a, b and c is called a Pythagorean triplet if the sum of the squares of two smaller number is equal to the square of third number. So a square plus b square equals to c square. 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 equals to 5 square, that is 25. So 9 plus 16 equals to 25. Some other examples of Pythagorean triplets are 5, 12, 13, 9, 12, 15, etc. The n term of the series of triangular number is given by n plus 1 upon 2. Triangular number property. If we add any two consecutive triangular numbers, we get the square of higher term numbers. If n is a positive number, then the sum of nth and n plus 1th triangular is n plus 1 the whole square. Finding the square of any numbers with unit digit at 5. Let us find the value of 35 square. We square the 5 in the unit place to get 25. We note this down. Now we multiply the digit in the tens place with its next number. In this case, we multiply 3 by its next number, which is 4. Thus 3 into 4 is 12. Put this 12 on the left of 25. This gives us the answer, that is 35 square is nothing but 1225. For example, 75 square. We have 5 square equals to 25. Put 7 into it, which is equal to 56 on the left of 25. The answer is 5625. That is 75 square equals to 5625. So students, I hope you all have understood the revision video of squares and square roots. So there is a small revision paper. Please try to solve it. Thank you.